Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be creating these fringes that I'll be doing for a setup. I have 2 packs of these dark blue tablecloths from Dollar Tree. I got this metal ruler from Lowe's, an X-Acto knife from Michaels, and this hemp cord also from Michaels. And you will find this in like the bead section where you create bracelets and and necklaces and stuff like that. And then I just have a regular cutting board that it was like a 4-pack that I had got from Home Goods, if I'm not mistaken, for my house. So this is all the materials I'll be using to create these fringes. Very easy things you probably already have in your home if you create beads and stuff like that. But let's get started. So I will be starting off using 1 pack at a time, and I will be cutting them. I will be folding them together, not folding them together, but layering them. So it'll be 2 that I'll be cutting at one time just to speed things up. And I like this method. When I first tried it out, I did, I opened it all the way up. Not all the way up, but I just did 1. And then this time I started to do 2 layers. And I just used the X-Acto knife to cut. These are about 2-inch thick. I'm not really measuring it. I'm just eyeballing it just to get the exact cut. And as you see, that one was a little messed up. It's okay. Once you put it all together, you're not going to see those little mistakes that you did make. I try to keep it clean though as much as I can, but if I do end up making a mistake, I'm not throwing it away. I will be still using it. It's just going to blend in with the other fringes once you put them all together. But right now I'm just working on cutting these 2 inches as I mentioned, and I'll be doing the next pack I believe off camera, but this is how it looks. Alright, so I'm using my pipe and drape stand to tie the hemp cord on so I can do this, standing up, and I can have something to use to put the fringes on. Yeah, you guys know what I'm trying to say. So I'm tying it to my pipe and drape stand, and I'll be using basically this, and I'm not going to use the whole thing. These 2 packs of what I found out using doing the first time I did it before I started recording for this color, 2 packs of the tablecloths gets me about a good 3 feet. So I'm going to start off putting this stuff in the middle, so I have the rest of the hemp cord from the top and the bottom. I can use that however way I want to end up tying this together. I just want to have enough cord to play around with. But right now I am putting the fringes on. So the tablecloths, I'm basically making like a loop, and I'm putting it up to the hemp cord, and then I'm pulling the 2 inside and then I just pull it tight. I hope that makes sense. So that's basically what I did. I didn't record the whole thing just because I didn't want to bore you guys to death, but that's basically what I did, and I just kept doing it and filled up the whole middle part. So this is how everything turned out. Please stay tuned for the next video that will be dropping on Sunday on how I end up placing these on with my setup. And it will be with white and some metallic silver fringes as well. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.